The Grand Wizard of the area has ordered us to find how many runes they need to send us in order to balance out the portals from all the universes. We're collecting the rings in order to increase our magic power, because that makes sense. So there are two types of rings. We have our negative ring, our positive ring, and our portal. If the negative ring and positive ring are not balanced, then the portal becomes unstable and could threaten the end of our known universe. The portal you've been assigned to has 6 runes on the other side of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 runes. 6 positive runes on the other side of it. So you have been given 5 positive runes to work with, along with an undetermined number of runes for your choosing to be added to. In addition, they're also sending you some extras in case you should need them. But how much should you ask for? Well, a common mistake associated with this is thinking that this and this are separate equations. So you might come up with an answer something like this plus 5 positive runes is equal to the 6 positive runes, and that the indeterminate is also equal to 6 positive runes. That's not true. These two things as a whole have to be equal to 6 positive runes. So this is wrong and would just blow up everything. We would all die. Instead, we need to figure out how to get these on this side while balancing out the portal. So how do we know how much to ask for? Well, we can use factoring to determine this. So first, we need to distribute, pretend we distribute these into our reserve runes. So we have 2 unidentifieds multiplied together, plus an unidentified amount, plus our 5 runes multiplied together. And we still have the 6 we need to get to on the other side. So now we're going to figure out how to get it to the other side and balance it out.
So I shall take over from here. So now we have our stuff. Now we shall take our runes from here and put them on the other side. Now when we do this, the runes change their sign. So these are positive. Now they will become negative when they come over here. So we have over here, and then that times that, and then plus this times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive runes. This is one group, this is one group, and then that plus 6 negative runes, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative runes. Negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over here, and then this is unstable. So, in order to make this stable, we need to solve for the question mark, or else our world will disappear. Alright. So, for that, we shall factor. So, we'll factor these 3 things. So, when we do that, we get question mark minus 1 and question mark plus 6. So this happens because if we think about this in variables, we have x squared plus 5x minus 6. So if we multiply these two together and we distribute, we can and we replace the question marks for x's, we will get x squared, because these two, and outside, so we do 6x, then minus x minus 6. So this turns into 5x. So that's essentially the same thing. Alright, so that was that. So now we just take it to the other side of the portal, and the question mark can be either of these two values. So when we do that, we get question mark is equal to the is equal to 1 or question mark is equal to -6. So the wizard can have either 1 rune or -6 runes.
Cool.
Cool.